All right, I'm going to show you a new super cool feature in Google. First of all, let's go ahead and open up Google. And now check out the new search field that they have. It's got this little lens right here, which you can do pictures. But over here, it's got this little microphone. And what you can do now is you can search, you can tell it, something, and it'll just do it for you. Watch, I'll show you. All right, so it wants to get a hold of this. So it's just asking microphone. All right, so there we are. Go back. Now we're ready to go. Let's get out of there. Let's go back to Google. Let's click on this. All right. What day is it?
It is Thursday, December 10th, 2020.
How do you like that? Isn't that cool? Want to do another one? What is the circumference of the Earth?
The circumference of Earth is 24,901 miles.
That is awesome. Now that's a new thing that you can do on Google. So have at it, you guys. These are cool features. You got the lens and you got the microphone. And now you can just, do so much with Google. It's astounding. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to use your iPhone in Google. Peace out.